Mm-hmm.
This is new thread. Let us assume
Okay.
this rectangular box, that is new thread. So thread object is created here.
Mm.
Then we apply start now immediately.
Yes.
We apply start on that. Object dot start. We apply now
Mm.
that one. So this is start. I couldn't get straight line. Okay. This is start method.
Okay.
Fine. And then inside that, let me draw another rectangle. This is runnable. Runnable.
Okay.
Runnable stays. These are the phases of a thread. First it is born. I mean,
Mm.
a new thread is created. Thread object is created. Then it is started. Then it goes to runnable.
Okay.
And here I can draw one curve like this. I think this is the one for curve. Yeah. I can draw one curve here. Like, I hope it is placed like that. Yes. Yes. This is called as yield point.
Okay.
That is yield. I can write yield here. I can get text there. Hmm. But I cannot see text. It seems. How to get? Okay, it
I
is at
think
the. It
color
is.
is white.
Uh, it is at the background. It seems.
Okay. Okay.
Front side. If I want to get, I think there is an option here. Way back, I have done these things in MS Office and this. I don't remember. Right click, it has to get. No, it is not there. This is one box. This is another box. No.
We can add a text box also.
That's what I'm looking for. Edit text. But it is cursor is showing there. But I want here to add something.
Yeah, we need to add a new text box.
Arrow is here. Here I can do. Here I can do.
Yeah.
IIELD. Yield. Okay. yield method.
Okay.
Y small letter only.
Hmm.
So this is also small letter, as you know. Okay, fine. Oh, sorry, clicked on save. Okay, yield. Then comes not runnable stage is also there. At times it will take pause, na pause like break like.
Yes.
So I would like to draw here like this. And let me restrict this size, shrink the size. Here at another triangle that is not runnable. Runnable, not runnable. It is not running in this stage.
Okay.
And one more thing is, these are nothing but sleep or wait stages. We came across these things na, earlier.
Hmm.
Sleep, you can call it as sleep, or wait, sleep and wait as well.
Okay.
Wait. Yes. Wait. Slight difference is there. Already we discussed about that
Yes.
earlier. So this is the story, and then dead. So when it is dead, here comes. Here I can draw like this. This is dead. Finally, if run terminates, it becomes dead. Simply,
Okay.
if run is getting terminated, it will die. Dead stays. Once dead, again, it cannot be part of the cycle, isn't it?
Okay.
It's over.
Yes.
That's it. Yes, that's it. Okay. Some disorder is there, but that is, it looks like this. So here, so generally, if sometimes see at times some small pauses will happen, na? Small
Yes.
pauses. They are called as yield. That is called as yield.
Okay.
Small pauses can be called as yield. Yield means small pauses. So somebody may ask you, what is the difference between yield, sleep, wait?
Hmm.
So sleep when wait are a little bit bigger when compared with yield. Yield is a
Okay.
small pause, small stop. Okay, and again run,
Okay.
just like a heart. At times it stops and all of a sudden again it runs, run like that.
Yes.
Small, very small pause. For
Okay.
instance, if we are in tension or something like that, if we get shocked with something, some news, then at a fraction of second it pauses and again continues.
Yes.
So that is what is called as pausing state, and yield is nothing but pausing state. I can tell you, small pauses,
Okay.
pausing state, and then sleep or wait. They are not part of the runnable. See, yield is part of
Yeah.
runnable. This stays. It is very close to runnable, but sleep and wait are not at all part of runnable. They are part of not runnable. Is it not?
Okay.
because
Yeah.
because yield is a small mild pass. That's why you cannot consider that as a sleep or wait. It is part of
Yes.
runnable, and again it can come back to runnable.
Okay.
Sometimes when we download a movie or something like that, at times it takes a small pause in between. Okay,
Yeah.
it gets struck a while, fraction of second, and again gets back to runnable stage. So that is what is
Okay.
yield point. and at a dead state, thread is terminated. Dead in the sense
Okay.
thread is terminated here. Thread is terminated here.
Okay.
Here, this is termination. Thread is terminated. So life cycle of a thread starts with a new thread, but actually thread is
Mhm.
not born here. It is not like a baby born. It is not like that.
Mm.
So still it is not born here actually. Just
Okay.
a thread object is created. It doesn't mean it is started. Its life started,
Right.
and its life started when it goes to runnable stage. Okay,
Okay.
then we can say that the life of a thread started. Then it may go to different other phases as well, like yield at times, and again coming
Mm.
back to runnable, or at times it depends upon the programmer. If he gives as part of the programming some method like sleep, given in some 1,000 or 2,000 or whatever it is milliseconds, it waits for that much amount of time, obviously. Otherwise you can
Okay.
give wait and give some notify, you can call notify method, so that again it can come back to runnable stage. Means for a while it will be in not runnable stage. See, that's why double directed arrows I have given here, double direction I have
Right.
given. So at times it may from the runnable stage it can go to not runnable, and again it can come back to runnable. Is it not?
Yeah. Yes.
Because some priorities will be there now. If some, for example, if we are moving on highway or within the limits of city, at times we get jammed as well, because some VIP person
Yes.
may be going, who is having top priority, or president of India may be going in the same road, so that we are
Yes.
all asked to stop for a while. Is it not?
Yeah.
And then once he passes, then we are allowed, isn't it?
Yes.
So a hierarchy is there. VIP person followed with police people, and then we are
Yes.
allowed. So that is the hierarchy. Here also based on priorities, at times,
Mm-hmm.
some important thread may be running here, but all of a sudden it can be brought to not runnable as well, because some other
Okay.
top priority thread is there knocking the door all the time, and it can be allowed by keeping the currently running thread in not runnable stage. Okay, by
Okay.
using either
Okay.
for wait methods, so that it will fall back to not runnable for a while. Once that thread is cleared, the other thread which is having
Mm.
top priority, it got executed and got to either not runnable or dead stage. Then again this thread will return back to runnable stage and continue its execution. Okay,
Okay.
this is all about the
Okay.
life cycle of a thread. Okay,
Okay.
so that's
Yeah.
it, that's it. And now I will go with the wrapper classes. Okay,
Sure. Okay.
just a minute. So what is a wrapper class? A predefined class is there called as wrapper classes. And
Okay.
there are actually 8 wrapper classes in name. I will give here.
Okay.
The name itself is telling it is a class where object wraps. Okay,
Okay.
increase the size here. Okay, fine. So wrapper class. So it is a class whose object wraps.
Okay.
Wraps means contains a primitive data type. Primitive data type. That is the meaning of that wrapper class. It is a class whose object wraps, means it contains a primitive. Wraps means nothing but contains. Wrapper, for
Okay.
example, wrapper, chocolate wrapper. It contains some
Mm.
object inside. Is it not?
Yes.
Some primitive, basic eatable item will be there inside a wrapper. So here also it is a class whose object wraps, means contains a primitive. If you open that object, some primitive basic data types like int, float, char, double, long, boolean. byte, these things are present. Okay, so what are the
Okay.
wrapper classes? We will see. Especially in collection framework, we use this collection framework. The follow-up concept, the next
Okay.
topic is going to be collection framework. There we are going to get, of course, after files, we will discuss
Okay.
about that. Wrapper class. So first one is character wrapper class. Okay. C, capital C is there. Okay.
Yeah.
That is a class. Similarly, byte, capital B, it's a wrapper class. And then integer. Now we used this integer, especially integer and byte
Yes.
we used in the past. Where can you recollect? Somewhere we used.
Oh, this one parsing. Yes.
Yes, that's what I'm telling. So that integer is nothing but a
Yeah.
class. I told at that time also it's a
Yes.
wrapper class. So
Yeah.
integer is a wrapper class. Similarly, float. Float also you have seen.
Yes. Yes.
And then double, I might not have used that, but it is also there. Double.
We did use it in one
Yeah,
example.
yeah, yeah. Long is also there, and boolean
Yeah.
is also there. These are seven, sorry, not eight, seven in number. Seven, one,
Okay.
two, four, five, six, seven, seven, not eight, sorry. Seven wrapper classes are there. And all these wrapper classes belong to Java dot lang package. Okay, lang package.
Okay.
And by default, lang is imported. We need not again do that.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is brief introduction about wrapper class. First, we will go with character class. Among them, first let
Okay.
us go with, so many predefined methods are there in that. Let us see those things. I will write. This is the package in which all the wrapper classes are present. Presence. That's it. Okay. Now let us discuss about character.
Okay.
We will do three programs. We will do three applications. I
Okay.
will write one program on character, one on byte, and one probably on int. I will write. Remaining
Okay.
same applications you can try also.
Sure.
From API
Okay.
also we can try. Very simple applications only. So
Okay.
first let me introduce some methods present in character class. There are so many methods. Like first one, its return type is also char value. It is a method. We will use some of the methods in one program I will design.
Okay.
So it returns the char value of the invoking object. It returns the char value, character value of the invoking object. Invoking object. Next one. Next one is static method is there. One static boolean. Even if you can open API also, these are all available. Is digit.
Okay.
Is a digit. Very simple methods. We will do some applications on these things. Is digit. It is a parameterized method. You can pass character as the parameter. Yes. So this is digit. Returns by default. I have given boolean as the return type. Is it not? You can see here boolean, small
Yes.
letter, small letter. Yes, small letter. Yeah. Here also see small. So boolean means that is digit is going to return either true or false. Okay. So it is going to check whether you have, for example, these things are useful in, for example, we are typing password, passwords.
Okay.
Here and there
Yeah.
we are typing passwords. So if those who have written program, if they set password in such a way that digits are not allowed. Okay. Digits are not allowed, but unfortunately you have typed some digit. by mistake. So,
Okay.
so immediately it should caution you that digits are not allowed. Got it?
Okay.
Digits are not allowed.
Yes.
So by that statement, you can understand what to do and what not to do. So here also is digit is going to, this is one kind of method which we are going to use in some applications, especially
Sure.
like passwords, the usernames, these things,
Mhm.
setting those things. And it by default, it is going to return some boolean value, means either true or false. If you have
Okay.
entered digit, it returns true. If you are not entering digit, it returns false, something like that.
Okay.
We will check that through programs. We see all these, almost all these things. Means I can write like it returns what? True.
Boolean
If
value.
if ch is a digit, I pass ch from keyboard, for example. If it is going to be a digit,
Okay.
it returns true, otherwise false.
Right.
Digit 0 to 9. Digits means 0 to 9, simply 0 to 9. That's it. That is the functionality of that method.
Okay.
Next one is letter is also there. It is a static method. Majority methods are static.
Okay.
Static, it is also returning boolean value. Boolean is letter is
Okay.
letter. The name itself is telling whether you are typing a letter or
Yeah.
not. Very simple. I need not write notes also. I'm just putting that method and leaving that.
Yeah.
You can understand clearly. Okay, that's it. Next one is uppercase. Huh? Static.
Okay.
Don't get confused. Two uppercase is also there. We came across
Yes.
two uppercase somewhere in strings concept.
Yeah. Yes. So
Means
two uppercase will convert it
convert, but
into uppercase.
is
This will
uppercase.
just show.
This will checking purpose.
Yeah.
That is not checking. That is conversion.
Okay.
Yes. So static, it is also returning boolean value. Why cap is coming every time? Yeah, it is automatically becoming boolean is uppercase. Very easy. See how easy to remember these
Yeah.
methods also. That much user friendly is Java.
Mm.
Those who have a great memory, they can really do wonders.
Yeah.
Static boolean. I have to do something for this. Every time it is done like that. Stop automatically correcting. Is lowercase, then you can understand this also.
Mm.
Is
Yeah.
lowercase. Yes. Same. Is space car. Space car means space bar. Are you hitting space bar or not? It will alert you.
Okay. Okay.
It is going to alert you. Static is space car. C capital letter. Bracket again. Same. That's it. Next one. White space. White space means coming from tab, enter key, backspace. These are present now.
Okay.
These are all called
Yeah.
as white space. Is white space.
Okay.
Like this. And then next one is, of course, two uppercase, two lowercase. These things you know, no? They are also
Yes.
present. I'm not writing those things. Two
Okay.
uppercase, two lowercase. These are all present. So these are the main methods present. We will go with one application. You can understand. I'm
Sure.
not writing two uppercase, two lowercase.
Okay.
Go with some applications here. So I want to test characters in this program.
Okay.
Test whether you have typed digit or uppercase or lowercase or something like that. White space, space bar, whatever you are hitting, it is going to prompt you like that. What can I give? I will go with the char test, character test, char test. Simple programs only. So lang package you doesn't require to import.
Yeah.
By default it is imported. But from keyboard I am going to accept. Is it not? For
Yes.
that, import
IO.
io.star. Oh, where it is gone. And then this throws exception. Okay. And now to
Okay.
accept data from keyboard, what shall I do?
Buffered reader.
That statement I have to write. There are some alternatives for buffered reader in the next classes. In the forthcoming sessions you are going to see that somewhere in util package.
Okay.
I will discuss that scanner class. Scanner, there is a
Okay.
simplified
Yeah.
procedure for this,
Okay.
but still this is required in files concept. That's why you cannot ignore this.
Sure.
Done. No. Redo is there. Correct? Huh? No. Here something went wrong. Some other thing. System.in should be there.
In.
System.in. Right?
Yes.
That line is correct. Now enter a character from keyboard. Enter a character. Okay, fine. So how to read a character from keyboard? Read method.
Yes.
Char ch is equal to cast operator is required. Is it not?
Yes. Yeah.
Char br. In the basic applications I told you, remember that? Enter students details, student name,
Yes.
string, student age integer. We have gone with that program in the beginning
Yes.
classes.
Yeah.
We entered
This is gender.
Yeah.
Yes.
Gender. There you use it, na? Same concept.
Yes.
So, great. Now test ch. Let us start testing ch. If, simple if condition. If else if I am going to use. One if can have only one else. That's why I want to test all the digits, all the characters, all the spaces, whatnot, everything. That's why I want to go with if, else if a number of times and then last else.
Okay.
Like that.
Sure.
So if character, character is the class name. They're all static methods, na? Just now I told you. See, these are all static methods. Is it not? See, static, all are static, almost all. So
yes.
Class name, how to call them, how to invoke them. Class name dot. I want to test whether it is a digit or not. That's it.
Okay.
Done?
Yes.
Done? Right. And which one you are testing? CH.
CH.
So if it is so and so, then I want to display a message. Display what? Yes, it is a, is it,
D-
is it?
yes.
That's it. Next, else if. Else if means again you have to write condition now.
Yes.
I want to check whether it is an uppercase or not. How to test? Uppercase is also static method now. These are all
Yes.
static methods. So
Is uppercase.
no. Character dot is uppercase.
Yeah.
Static na.
Yeah.
Character dot is uppercase. Which one you are testing? CH.
CH.
Yes. So you just display the message. It is a capital letter. Otherwise, can I type like that? It is
Yeah.
capital letter. That's it. Next one. Again, add another else. Else if character dot is lowercase ch. Then sorry, lower spelling mistake. LOWER. Right. So here it is a small letter.
Small letter.
Done. Next, what are the other methods we used? Space, hit, and these things. Na? Else
Yeah.
if, what is that? Is space char is also static.
Mm.
Character dot
Okay.
is space char. Spellings we should be careful. 3 words combination. Na?
Sure.
Second and third should start with capital.
Yeah.
Is space
Capital.
char. I want to check ch. That's it. Done. Yes. Now it is coming from space bar. It is coming from space bar.
Yeah.
That's it. That's it. And then white space. One more is there, no?
Okay. Yes.
After doing threads, exception handling, these things, a lot of relaxation, isn't it? Again, coming
Yeah.
back to these kind of programs.
Yes. Yes. It
White
is.
space is white space. You are typing only one character, but it is going to test all these phases.
Sure.
It is a white space. It's a white space. I actually, this is my basic program, but somewhere I do not remember when I was explaining this application in some institute in Hyderabad in the past, in Amirpet, I think. Somebody asked, if I type a special character, what is any method, sir? He asked. Is it not?
Special character. Yeah.
I mean asterisk symbol, dollar, then what to
Yeah.
do? See, I will answer that. Immediately the spontaneous reaction is
Else.
yes.
Yeah.
If any unknown character is typed, I mean special character is typed, you can write sorry, I don't know that character. That's it.
Right.
Because there is no specific method for these things.
Yeah.
That's why sorry. This is the spontaneous reaction on that day. Still I am using same statement.
Sure.
I don't know that character. That's it. So this is the program. Mistakes, it is showing a couple of mistakes. What are
spelling error is there.
CT. Yeah. Done. Here also.
Yes. A is missing. Yeah.
Done. Yeah. Now let us save this and run this. Yeah, it is asking. I am typing a digit 9.
Okay.
A digit
Right.
like that. It will test. If I give a capital letter Q, it is a capital letter like that.
Yes.
Space hit,
Okay.
space hit also I will check once. Space bar I am hitting from my keyboard.
Okay.
It is coming from space bar. If I click enter
Right.
key, let me check enter key. White space, na? Enter key, it's a white space. If I
Okay.
type any other special character like a dollar symbol, sorry, I don't know that character. That's it.
Okay.
That's it.
Yeah.
This is the basic program, and these are the methods present in that. Now we will go to the next one, that is byte. In our
Byte.
program on byte class, na? Byte we will do.
Yes.
On byte we will do. Creating and comparing byte objects. This program is about.
Okay.
And class name itself is, I cannot write byte now. Byte is a predefined class. So
Right.
making that as bytes, then it is okay.
Okay.
No objection for anybody if I write bytes. If I write byte, it won't accept.
Right.
So this is a program for what? Creating and comparing byte objects.
Okay.
Creating and comparing byte objects. That's it. So I want to accept from keyboard for all these kind of applications. So import IO.star class bytes. Okay, fine. Here also throws exception. Right. And then that lengthy statement, let me copy and paste from previous program. Yes. There is the space. Done. Next step. Enter a byte number. I want to display.
Okay.
Enter a byte number. Byte is an additional data type actually in Java.
Okay.
And of course, this byte is a wrapper class anyways. And don't get confused. See, one more thing I want to tell you is float. This float is different from this float.
Right.
Similarly, this double is different from that double.
Right.
Left hand side, they are classes, and right side, primitive types. And of course,
Yes.
these classes are wrapping those primitive types. Containing, they are contained with these things. Okay. Because wrap means contain.
Okay.
They contain primitive types of data. So enter a byte number. Enter a byte number. So let me enter a byte number. String str is equal to br dot read line. Is it raining, sir, in Bangalore?
No, sir. It's just cloudy.
Cloudy. Here it is
Yeah.
heavy rain.
Yeah.
Yesterday it is very
Okay.
heavy rain. Tomorrow I had a program of going to Hyderabad, but I don't know how it is raining.
Oh.
Stop.
Yeah.
String str equals br dot read line. Okay, byte b1 is equal to new byte is a wrapper class. That's why I can create object like this, and I can pass that str as an
Okay.
argument to this. So whatever string I am
Okay.
accepting, I am converting that into byte. Got it? Of course,
Okay.
read line will read
Yeah.
strings. That string I am passing as an argument attaching to this byte object means that byte will convert that string into
Right.
byte. Later on, I will display. And then enter another byte
Okay.
number. Enter another byte number. Let me enter another byte. I want to compare. Na? See the question. Creating and
Right.
comparing byte object.
Comparing byte object.
Yeah. For comparison, I need one more. So enter another byte number. That's it. Enter another byte number. Right. Now same logic in the sense. Again, I need not write string. Na? Already string is declared here. Why can't you use
Yes.
str? Same hand. One time I can take
Right.
a book. Another time I can take a pen. Is it not? Hand is like a
Right.
reference.
Yes.
Hand is like a reference. I can catch any object at any time.
Yes.
So one time we caught the first object. Now we are going to catch the second object. That is str is equal to br dot read line.
Read line.
Yes. Read line. Yes. Now again convert.
Yeah.
So I mean str is reused here. You can understand, right?
Yes. Yes.
One statement otherwise. str is reused. Str is already created and that is reused here. Reference, na? After all, reference, no problem. Right. Why it is showing mistake? Semicolon is missing here.
Yes. Even import Java. The top.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now this is also done. Now what to do? Again, conversion is required, na? Conversion.
Yes.
Byte B2. The first one is B1 is equal to.
Yes.
What some striking is there here? Byte striking. Can you see here? Striking.
Yeah.
Why it
Yes.
like that? Just like paper striking, it seems. How it came? I don't know.
It says it's a deprecated version.
No, not like that. Not like that. It is not showing.
It is saying if we
Yeah.
since version 9.
Exactly. The constructor byte is deprecated. First time I am noticing. I never used it afterwards. Way back I used it, but
Okay.
it will work. Means it is not
Okay.
like I can tell you one small story here. Know that Python, Java is ahead over Python in this aspect. It can allow. I am using 14 version. Java 14 version.
Yes.
JDK 14 version we are using, but it can. It is backward compatible. Got it? Java is backward compatible.
Okay.
I can write one important word. If somebody can ask you, you can tell in interviews. Somebody may ask you, "Is Java backward compatible?" Yes, Java is
Backward compatible.
yeah, exactly backward compatible. But Python is not. But Python is not. So if you are using 3.x version, it doesn't support 2.x version features. Okay.
Okay.
That is a problem with Python. But Java, no problem. Old versions also it will support.
Okay.
Biggest plus point for Java. That's why major people like Java. Now I will do in another style, not like the old style. I will do in another style. Byte dot value of is a method. Na? We use it somewhere. See?
Yes.
No, I have not written. I think I have not written here. That is char value. Okay, no problem. Value of, there is one method called as value of. Value of. As an argument, you can pass str. It is going to convert that into byte class. It is a static method present in byte class. Got it? It is a static
Okay,
method
yes.
present in byte class. So uh, something it is displaying. Yeah, the byte class wraps a value. Wraps means contains
Okay.
value of what? Primitive type byte in an object. Got it?
Okay.
Small b they have written. Can you see here?
Mm.
Small b.
Yes.
Here capital B. So the byte class wraps a value of primitive type. Primitive type is different from class. That's why
Right.
whenever they are saying class, capital B, whenever they are saying primitive type, small b they have used.
B. Yes.
An object of type byte contains a single field whose type is byte. In
Byte.
addition, this
Okay.
class provides several methods. It is showing these methods. A byte to a string and a string to a byte. Like this, we can convert it is saying other. Okay, fine. But they did not talk about this value of. What about value of? Let us check value of also. Yeah, here it is. You can see the notes like that.
Yeah.
You can see if you are having any doubts, it will give correct information. Returns a byte
Okay.
object holding the value given by the specified string. So whatever string you are passing as an argument, see, it is having a string parameter. Can you see here? String
Yes.
yes, string yes. So I passed string, that's why. Throws number format
Okay.
exception. Of course, if any mistake is there, it is going to throw a number format exception. Of course, I don't want to deal about that because inbuilt mechanism is there. We need not go for that here. Uh, so it is going to convert into byte, parse byte. Whatever parse byte is going to do, that same effect it is going to produce. Got it?
Okay.
So value of will
Yes.
take care of that. Converting string into byte string.
Okay.
String is converted into byte string simply. Okay, semicolon, done. Now 2 bytes are accepted and changed. And another one
Compare.
also will work. I will write this comment. This will also work. Wait. I'm talking about that only. This will also work. What is that? This will also work. Byte b2 is equal to new byte within bracket str, or another option is there, or okay, no problem, or byte. You can try, they will also work in the comments. Whatever I'm writing, you can try later
Okay.
on. Is equal to byte dot parse byte. Old procedure we have seen in the beginning sessions.
Yes.
Parse byte. Parsers you can use. Just now they have commented na. See, when I moved my cursor here, yes, here, can you see this?
Yes. Parse
That
byte.
technique also you can use. That's why I'm writing that also.
Okay.
This also is allowed. Okay, done. Now comparison. Let us start comparing. Compare the byte objects. Compare the byte objects. How to compare? Let me take an integer. Int n is equal to b1 dot compare to, a method is there. Compare.
Okay.
See, it is displaying also. Got it? Compare to.
Yeah.
In the bracket, what should you write?
Byte another byte.
Another byte. The other
Yeah.
object b2 we can write.
Okay.
Compare to b2 na other one.
Yes.
Both are compared. Means it is going to return some boolean value.
Okay.
N is equal to 1. Both objects are same.
Okay.
Not exactly boolean, but it is going to check. Wait, I will write. Its tendency is something like this. Double is equal to 0. It may be equal to 0 or greater than 0 or less than 0. Three things can happen. So if it is going to be greater than 0, then what should happen? Why it is showing mistake? N is equal to, what is the problem here?
Semicolon.
No, no. Okay. Yeah, if here I have written. Okay, okay. Both objects are the same. That's it. If n is equal to 0, see,
Yeah.
compare to is going to return either 0 or greater than 0 or less than 0. Three things. Any one
Right.
of any one above any one among these three things. It may be equal
Correct.
to 0 or less than 0 or greater than 0. So if it is 0,
Sure.
both are same. That's it.
Okay.
Then else if
Mm.
what is the other condition? N is
N is lesser
greater
than
than
0.
0. Yes, yes.
Okay.
Then also I will display. B1 is greater in this context. B1 concatenation operator. Understood?
Yeah.
The first object is greater than second if n is greater than 0. Now obviously the else path is nothing but the condition is not required now, and you can understand the
Yes.
condition, it is going to be less than 0 in this case,
Yes.
and you can understand B1 is smaller.
Smaller. Yeah.
Yes. Done. Over. So how many closings?
Okay.
Two closings. I have not changed anything. Yes. Only one method. Main method directly I have written all the code now. Yes.
Yes.
Let us take couple of bytes from keyboard here. First byte. Number spelling mistake. NUM. Yes. Will it run again? Yes. So I am typing 42. Enter another byte. That is also 42. Both objects are the same na? Same na?
Yes.
Yes. Otherwise, I'll go with 120 and 346. Why? It won't accept maybe range number format exception. Okay, it cannot convert beyond the range. Value of range, value 346, radix 10, 167 it is showing. Maybe it is having a limit. It doesn't go beyond that.
Okay.
I don't know the limit. Okay, okay. 56, 23. 56 is
Yeah.
greater, na? Yeah.
Yes.
Fine. And the other one will also work. First, 24, 90. 24 is smaller.
Yeah.
It talks about the first object only.
Yes.
I have written in system.out.print the same thing, na? B1. I am talking about B1.
Right.
Showing that. So this is how, these are the methods present in byte class. Okay. And we used that also.
Okay.
And now some hexadecimal numbers and these kind of numbers are there. We have to convert those numbers. For that, let me take integer class. Okay. I will go with integer class this time. Integer parse int we have seen na? Like that. One.
Yes. Okay.
This is okay now? Understood?
Yes.
Understood. So I'm accepting couple of strings and
Yes.
converting them into bytes. For converting them into bytes, couple of options are available. I commented also. You can see that also. Our normal way is there.
Yes.
So many options are available. Then once comparison, when it come to comparison, yeah, compare to method is there, and this is the way to compare. Object dot compare to method you can use. It's a parameterized method, and you can pass the other object as well, and both comes under comparison. and any of these three things are going to happen, either is equal to 0 or greater than or
Mm.
less than. That's it. Okay.
Okay.
One more I will do, one more program. This is simple program only.
Okay.
Let me name that as convert. I want to convert from one format to another format. Hexadecimal to integer decimal, like that. Converting from decimal
Okay.
to another systems. Otherwise, convert is the name. So through keyboard, I want to write here also. Let me make a comment first of all. Converting from decimal to another systems. Another systems. Okay, fine. Now I have to import now.
Yes.
So, and immediately throws exception done. Now that lengthy statement is done. Now enter integer value. Very simple.
Mhm.
Enter integer value from keyboard. So if you enter some number, that is going to be a decimal one, decimal form, is it not? We are all
Right.
we are
Yes.
entering any integer, whatever integer you enter, they are all decimals simply. They are not binary, no? But
Yeah.
we can convert them into some other formats, maybe binary or hexadecimal or octadecimal, like that. Like that, I can tell you. So
Okay.
whatever number you are accepting from keyboard, so how it is going to take? Yes, I told no
Decimal.
first. No, no, no. As
Yeah.
string it is going to take no string string.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, string s is equal to br dot. In the beginning, I told two procedures. You can concat also, like directly you can write int n is equal to integer dot parse int within bracket
Yes.
br dot read line. I told na. Otherwise,
Yes.
the same statement you can write in two lines also. I told in the beginning classes. You remember?
Okay. Yeah.
Yes. So the lengthy procedure I am going with.
Okay.
So you are taking string. Now you have to convert that into primitive type. Converts, because string is not primitive, it is advanced.
Yes.
So let me convert that string into primitive type int. Converts to primitive int. How to convert? How to convert? Int n is equal to integer dot integer dot
Percent.
within bracket. Yes, yes,
Yes.
yes. That's it. Done. Otherwise, you can club these two. You know how to club.
Yeah.
Int n is equal to integer dot parse int within bracket. You write right hand side. That is what
Yes.
br dot readline. You can write this within bracket.
Yeah.
That is another way of doing, but I split that into two parts. Okay, fine. Next. Okay, to integer you have converted. Okay, fine. Now I want that in decimal notation. Decimal means whatever you entered, that is in decimal only, na? Let me display.
Yeah.
Let us display that. So I will write something like this: in decimal is equal to concatenation n. Same n will be displayed in decimal notation, means as it is, as it is. String is converted into integer, na? That is nothing but decimal
Yeah.
notation only. But now this decimal is to be converted to binary. So how to convert this to binary? Convert this decimal number. Wait. Convert this decimal number to some other formats.
Okay.
Convert this decimal number. I'm writing, but to some other formats. First, we will go. First, I just want to convert that into binary, to binary string. Wait. Str is equal to integer dot to binary. Is it displaying? Yeah. See the first one.
Yeah.
To binary string is the method. To binary string.
Okay.
What is the argument? N.
Yes.
Got it? Right. Done. Now I want to see that in binary equivalent. For example, if I type 8, 8 will be having some binary value. If you divide by 2, binary means 2, na? If you divide by 2,
Yeah.
what is the binary equivalent for 8? 2 fours are 8. What is the remainder? 0.
Yes.
Again, 2 twos are 4, remainder is 0. Again, 2 ones
0.
are 2, remainder is 0. Finally, 1.
1.
1, 000.
Yeah.
That is the output.
Yes.
It is going to display. Through method, we are doing that. Without manual
Okay.
calculation, through method, we are doing that. So what to do here? In binary, can I write? In binary is equal to plus, it is there inside str, na? Whatever we have done.
Yes.
Yes, that is displayed. Fine. Over.
Okay.
Now to hexadecimal, I want same code. Already str is defined. Why again I have to take a string? I need not take.
Yes.
Str is equal to integer dot to to hexa string. See, you can use all these things. I'm writing one or
Yes.
two. I just want to
Okay.
use first three. I will use. Remaining you try. Okay.
Okay.
To hexa string. To hexa string.
Yeah.
To hexa string within bracket. What is that? N. N. Our number.
Yes.
Yes. Done. That is the advantage of IDE. My task becomes much
Mm.
easier. I need not remember that method name. It is displaying na.
Mm. Yes.
Then to octal also I want to do same.
Okay.
Integer dot, and after displaying, let me show that output also. So what is the output in hexadecimal na?
Yes.
Hexadecimal. In Bangalore, theaters also opened now.
No, sir, not yet.
Not yet. Temples.
Yeah.
Temples.
Temples are open from long ago.
Long ago. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. How is it there, sir?
Here we never go outside.
Okay.
Films are not opened. I think films are not opened.
Uh,
Even we cannot find any new films being released. No?
yeah, yeah.
I think everything is struck.
Yes.
That Balasubramaniam death yesterday happened, I think, no?
Yeah, yeah.
That
He did pass
that
away.
is the biggest news.
Yeah.
Very active person, all of a sudden happened.
Yeah.
A very energetic person, no? Actually.
Yes, he is.
At that age also, to octal. I just want to do this time. Octal string, yeah. Done. That is also done. Now, in octal, I will copy this.
Yeah.
Paste this. Today, lot of relief, I think, for you.
Yes.
These kind of programs. Lot
Yeah.
of after threats. That's why I selected. I would have gone to files. Files is not difficult, but I just want to go with the easiest concepts of being Saturday.
Yeah.
Again on Monday or Tuesday we will go with the files concept.
Sure.
In octal number system. In octal number system is equal to this. So I'm saving this application, running this. Yes. We calculated for 8 manually. Let us check for 8. See, 1000 binary.
Yeah.
In hexa. In octa. Got
Yes.
it?
Yeah.
These predefined methods are handy. So wrapper classes are going to contain those primitive types. Okay.
Mm.
So so this is about the wrapper class. So
Okay.
three among those 7 list, 3 I have done. Remaining 4 you
Sure.
can try. You can try.
Yes.
Remaining which classes I use it today? Integer class I use it.
Character, byte, and
Character,
integer.
yeah, 3 classes I use it. Double float you can try. Very much
Sure.
similar to already we have done in the past, na? Like
Yes. Yes.
float dot same like that only. Nothing great. That's why.
Yeah.
With this, I am closing the session, sir, for today.
Sure, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
And
Yeah.
notes I will send you, sir. I should take some time for doing that. I'll
Okay.
send you soon that threads and this one also. I may
Okay.
send this quickly. I think I will try. I will be in the process. Okay.
Sure.
Thank you,
Yeah.
sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.